garden route adventure starts right here in Buffels Bay.
All the people here, there's plenty of people.
This, I mean, who would ever see this? Amazing. And they're going to do it up?
We are Cindy and Graham from Jaunti Vanlife, traveling full time in our camper van. Showing off our beautiful country, one place at a time.
Some of us have got to climb up there.
So this is the bay that you can see now, isn't it?
It's a part of it.
So from Buffels Bay turn off, it's a 6-kilometer road to the beach where Buffels Bay is, but this falls under it. There are about 5 little and big restaurants along the way. This is near the main road, and there's one across the main road. We will film that next time. And this is a little one. You can have coffee and cake. And across the road,
This little place you can get beautiful cakes from. It's like a little stall. Breads, you can get gorgeous cakes, breads.
There's pies, ginger beer, pancakes,
Meringue, anything. Yeah. This beautiful little place right where the bridge is. There's a little shop where you can buy beautiful cakes. We bought a beautiful brownie here the other day. He's gorgeous. So here's the railway bridge that Graham filmed. And this is it going over a property, a private property here. And it's 1926. This is in Buffels Bay area, well, just off the main road. How's this, babe? And how beautiful is it? Hey? 1926. Yeah. This is the side of the bridge. It's so old, hey? And then the round, what do you call a round thing of the bridge? This is how big this gate is. And Graham's standing next to it, going under the bridge. How stunning is that?
That is the whole bridge.
Yeah. Goes round to the top. Stunning. Hello Graham, where are you?
I'm here
Where's here?
in the shop.
In Buffels.
Yeah,
It's on the edge of Buffels.
on the edge of Buffels.
Hello Graham. Hello. Huh?
What did you like?
A coffee and cake.
Right, brilliant.
You want to sit in an old caravan and eat your cake overlooking the little dam. This is it. That's this little store. Beautiful.
It looks like there's an old pole you have to track to you. Old tractor that used to run on petrol and on diesel. Remember my grandfather had one of these. When I see stones and sand,
What must you look for?
looking down.
Because you nearly fell out the shop.
I went there and I had to look down, but I didn't look down and I nearly fell in the big drain there, man. It's a big river.
Yeah. It's huge, eh? Wonder where it comes from.
A river, restaurant, lovely atmosphere.
This is like for backpackers to stay. This is the backpackers place at this restaurant area. Stunning. And then they have accommodation, the tents and these little rooms. So this is also part of the backpackers. Looks like you can put a tent here on the river. Stunning place, yeah. Sorry if we're in your way. So maybe, hi, who are you?
I'm Colbin.
Colbin.
Stuart.
Okay, and where are you from, Colbin?
I'm studying in Stellenbosch.
Okay.
But, originally from Richards Bay in KZN.
Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. And look, yes.
Kakama River.
Wow.
We were fishing.
Yo. Can you believe it? I've never, I mean, what a find. This, I mean, who would ever see this? Amazing. And they're going to do it up, like maybe varnish it or something and put it in their garden to dry out a bit and then display it.
But it's
Yeah.
heavy as well.
Is it? Wow.
It's heavier than you well.
Oh, yes. Wow. And then your name?
Jordan.
Jordan. And Jordan, where are you from?
Also studying in Stellenbosch.
Okay.
But also from Natal originally.
Oh, wow.
South Coast.
So do you do a lot of traveling?
As much as I can.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mostly like just adventure exploring kind of thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is good as young guys to do that.
John's over there, all sitting in a row waiting for something or other. Sometimes this is the best side of Cindy.
Take it from Graham.
found some gold, Jambo.
We found our gold.
Oh, yes, the gold.
Found our gold. Go down and look at the gold. We found our gold.
Oh, we found all the gold in the world. All the people, yeah, there's plenty of people.
Stepping in the seagulls' prints.
Nice. Okay, so Cindy, have you had enough of this sea?
Oh, I love it. I could live here forever.
Yeah, you're right. It's so nice. Beautiful.
I know.
It's very nice. Hey.
So here we have a restaurant, Wildside Beach restaurant right on the beach. There's pizzas, all types of food. You can put your toes in the sand. Very rustic and lovely. Just a walk down to the beach from this little place.
Okay, quickly. Sing. Everybody gone. Say it.
Everybody's gone surfing.
No, but you must sing it.
Everybody's gone surfing. Surfing is a.
Where you going, Graham?
I'm trying to find home. I have to walk home now. I can't find anything. It's
Wait.
over this desert now.
Where's your home?
Over there, about a kilometre from us, to your right.
Oh, let me see your lighter.
This other surgeon. So nice.
My Graham. This restaurant is beach sand under the tables. This is the view. We are a bit in the dip, but this is behind. It's a nice beach to walk on with beautiful rocks. It's divine. Look what we've made.
Cindy made some more of this food that we love so much.
Oh, look how the big piece is cutting me.
Yeah,
Oh, that's so nice.
I'm going to give her the cherries on top.
Oh, that's so nice. Is it big enough for me? Oh.
I don't know.
Anyway, we're going to enjoy it.
Yep. Okay, so I hope that you enjoy our videos and everything. We take a bit of time just to make them pleasant for everybody, although they're just our memory files. But if you really like them, give us a thumbs up and subscribe and join our vibe.
So we're just saying goodbye to everybody. We appreciate every viewer and subscriber.
Okay, so we're going to say bye from Graham and Cindy. Goodbye, guys. Enjoy.
Bye.
So here we have a little quickie going. We just got a bit of a big fire on it just to get we're actually using it as a kettle for water boiling. So yeah, it doesn't have to be simmering little flames. Now we've got the fire going.